Hey guys, welcome back to another Easy Draw video. In this Easy Draw video, we are going to be learning how to draw SpongeBob SquarePants. These are the steps to be learning how to draw SpongeBob SquarePants. Now let's start. First, we are going to make the body of SpongeBob SquarePants. We are going to make wavy lines for his body. Just like that, and then we could do the sides. After we do the sides, we are going to do the bottom. Now we are going to do the nose. It is going to be like a U but upside down. After we do the nose, we are doing the eyes. They could be touching the nose or a little bit not touching the nose. Alright, now we are going to do the pupil. We are just going to make a littler circle and then add a dot. After we do that, we are going to take any color for eyes and then just color them blue. Or whatever color you use. After you do the eyes, we are going to do the smile. The smile is going to have a loop on each side of the face. Just like that. And then we can make the smile. After we do that, we could add dots right here. Then we could add the teeth. It's going to be sticking out. After we do the teeth, we are going to be moving on to the pants. After we do the pants, we are going to be making a tie. So we are just going to make the tie just like this. And then we could add V's but a little wider. And then we could add a line to separate. After we do that, we could make small little lines like that. And then we are going to be adding rectangles for the pants. And then we are going to make some other rectangles, but it's going to be horizontally. And then we could make the shoes. They're just gonna be simple shoes. You don't have to do like laces or anything because we're gonna color them in black. After we do that, we could make the lines on his legs to make the socks. Now we are gonna be making the arms. We are gonna be making the sleeves, just like that, and then like that. And then you could make the arms any way you want. Just like that. After we do the arms, we could color it in. Wait, actually, before we color it in, we are gonna add circles for the sponge part that soaks up the water. Just like that, and we could also. After we do that, we are gonna be coloring it in. I'm gonna first color in the circles, like a little green, like light green, and then if you want it to look a little yellow